Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use CapCut. Now, I know many of you want to be YouTubers, but you guys don't know how. Well, today I'm going to show you from recording all the way to editing, but mainly editing. By editing. So I hope you like my video and let's get started. To start, I'll show you how to record. To record, you mainly just have to swipe right like this, or if you go back, you can screen record by pulling up the top tab of your iPad or the device you use, and you'll see a button that looks like a bullseye. I'm recording right now, but if you don't see it, don't worry. Just press the plus button and look for and press add control. In add control, you can see all the controls you have. Go to camera and press what's it called again? Screen recording. I already put mine in, that's why you can't see it here. Okay. So in CapCut, you press New Project. In New Project, it'll take you to a bunch of photos. And in the photos, you choose the one you want. So I'll choose this one.
Sky, good job. No.
There. As you can see, I'm screen recording so that you can see how I edit. In here, it shows me doing something. But here's something you should do in every CapCut. When you press add and you add a video, press this part and delete it. That part is just something random which looks like this. This is how it looks. No one wants to see your CapCut ID and stuff, so just delete it. Okay, but first, before we start, we have to edit the cover. To do this, you have to click on the cover button and choose either you select from video, which I'm going to do, or you can select from album. Let's say I'm going to do... Okay, you know what? I'll select from video instead. So let's say I like this picture. Let's do save. But wait, that's not done. When you click on this, you have to press edit more. Once you press edit more, you can add stuff like text. Let's say I want to add text. So I can do this, go up, and then type Roblox hack. There. Now it's done, but you can also edit which way it goes, like I can make it upside down, or I can twist it to make it forward, slanted, straight, and a bunch of more. But also you can change your font. Down it'll say text template, and it'll show a bunch of templates like best headphone, or sale, crush, a bunch of things. Let's just say I want to do ice cream. Okay, so we got ice cream, and then we press save. Boom. That's it. Oh yeah, you can buy standard, but nah, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, now let's play my video to see how it goes. Secret Roblox hack. Oh yeah, if you wanted to know, this is where like in Brookhaven you do that weird thing. Oh, looks like mine's going on for a longer time. That's where editing comes in. You click on this part and make it shorter. But wait, something's wrong. You can't stretch videos no matter how hard you try. Don't know why, it's just CapCut is just like that. Oh yeah, once again, remember to delete this part before you start doing it. Okay, this video, I think it looks good, but I need something better. I need background music, which is when I press add audio and choose sounds. In sounds, you can see stuff like here, hot songs, or like this one. This one looks pretty good. Okay. The diamond ones mean you have to have like for it. Yes, thank you. Okay. So you can find stuff like vlog songs. You can find stuff like cute songs and much more.
And Enderman hate bat time.
Okay, so let's say I want to choose. What should I choose? Comment below what I should choose. Let's go to hip hop and choose. This looks good. I'll add it. Now, the thing about music is that you have to make it match your video. You can make it start at a certain time, but you can't stretch music. If you want to stretch music, you have to press the duplicate button. Then it will be duplicated. I don't want mine duplicated though, so let's just go back. Done. Now it matches with exactly with my video. If you want, you can make it start at a certain point. Like I'll make mine start here, where I press respawn.
And if you hear this and then go and go back.
See? See? Now it looks much better. Now, but let's say I want to add some text. So then you press the text button in the top right, and you can do many things. You can add stickers, such as the glasses, like that. Or instead of stickers, you can add something else, like maybe captions. Or you can add more text. In text, there are a lot of fonts. Let's say, hang on. Let's move to the end and let's say I want people to subscribe to this. So then I click on this, subscribe. And then I can edit how big I want it. And then press the check button. Then I can also change like when I want the subscribe to appear by stretching it and then pulling it back to make it come at the exact part I want it. Let's make it come right there. There, done. Now, but let's say I want to add a black screen. Adding a black screen where you press add subscribe and stuff is real easy. You just do this. Go to the end, press add text. Let me add text. Let me go down. Let's see, what font should I choose? Ooh, I want graffiti. Alright, so I'll make it that small and then type in. There, that's better. Now that I can see when it comes, I can choose how long I want it. Now let's see how good my video is right now. Secret Roblox hack.
And if you hear this and then go and go back.
That's it. If you want to see your audio, you can just click on it and make it extend to the part you want it. It's that simple. And then, but let's say you want to add effects. That's where this button comes in. You click on effects, and then let's say I want a video effect. Let's look at these. I don't know what effect I should do. Let's say I want lightning eye effect. Let's choose
Roblox hack.
I don't think I have that. Maybe I'll do not lightning.
Roblox hack.
Ooh, this looks real good. I'll choose it. And then I can extend it to see how long I want that crack. Let's extend it to the very end so it looks real cool. You know what? Let's put it at the end. There, that's done. Now let's see how good it is now.
Secret Roblox hack.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please.
That looks really good. Now let's say I'm ready to publish it on YouTube. Then I press export. When I press export, oops, looks like when it says this, it means you're using a standard effect. To remove a standard effect, you gotta click on that effect, and then where is it? Let's see.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please.
Can't find it. Let's press export. Okay, so if there's an effect and you can't find it in your video, then you can click on the other effects. Then you might find your effect that you put. Looks like mine isn't there. If this isn't there and it won't let you move on, this is a problem, but don't worry, you can fix it. See, if I just stretch this here real quick, and I move this here, let me
This may
be a problem, but don't worry. I'm sure you guys can find a way to fix it. Okay, so when you're done recording and editing, double check it one more time by rewatching it.
Secret Roblox hack.
You're still not the farter boy.
You dealing with the body of God, or you dealing with the body?
I'm building up, y'all.
Wait, my audio was shorter. In this case, I extend the audio. Then I check again. Oops.
Secret Roblox hack.
You dealing with the body of God, or you dealing with the body?
Is there?
Done. So now that I'm done, I press export. When I press export, it will download this video right into your photo app. Once you're done, you can press other and in the other, you can share it to like messages, mail, YouTube, and much more. Or you could share it AirDrop, messages, YouTube Drive, Journal, YouTube, CapCut, Google Apps, and you can even remove your. Okay, so once you're done, you click on the plus button, and then you press video, and then in video, the software will tell you what to do. And that was my video. I hope you like it. And oh yeah, I use all my videos, I edit them with CapCut. So I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching. See you next time.